మూవీలో హీరోయిన్ గా చెయ్యాలి అని ఇద్దరు హీరోలు ఒకేసారి అడిగితే ఎవరికి ఓకే చెప్తారు? ఏ ప్రభాస్?
Of course to Prabhas.
ప్రభాస్
Anytime, any day.
No, just as like that little girl who you would have admired when you were a little girl. Then he would be old only now. Come on, ask me with same age. Okay, same age. Prabhas, but he's not coming.
సో ప్రభాస్ లాస్ట్ ఫైనల్ ప్రభాస్ స్వీట్, చాలా మంచి, ప్రతి ఒక్కరిని ఎవరిని హట్ చేయాలనుకోడు, పాజిటివ్ పర్సన్ని మంచిగా ఆలోచిస్తాడు. తనకు వచ్చిందే అద్భుతమైన పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్.
My friend Rana was in the film, so I'm going to be biased about the film. Rana had showed me parts of the film. Rajamouli Garu also I've met on occasion. Prabhas I'm a big fan of.
అంతలో ఎంటర్ అయినట్టు అలాంటి ఒక దేవుడు ఈ కథ విన్నాడు మొదట. మేబీ ఆ దేవుడు ఈరోజు రాలేకపోవచ్చు, కానీ ఈ కథ ఇక్కడ దాకా రావటానికి ఎస్ ప్రభాస్ గారు ఈ కథ విని థ్యాంక్ యూ అలాగా ఆయన ఈ కథని ఇక్కడ దాకా నడిపించడానికి ప్రభాస్ గారు. అలాగే
Prabhas, how was the first day on the set like? What was the first?
It's fabulous. I think the guy is amazing. I mean, because what happens is he did Bahubali. He's got this persona. He's got this magnanimous personality about him also. So all of us are.
Hi, darling. Lakshmi garu, Prabhas నన్ను డార్లింగ్ అని పిలుస్తుంటాడు, నేను ప్రభాస్ని డార్లింగ్ అని పిలుస్తుంటాను. నా మొబైల్లో ప్రభాస్ పేరు డార్లింగ్ అని ఉంటుంది. ఎవరన్నా చూస్తే నాకు గర్ల్ ఫ్రెండ్ అనుకుంటారు ఎవరన్నా. మా అబ్బాయిని పంపించుకుని ఎస్ఎంఎస్లు చూసినా ఐ లవ్ యూ ఉమ్మా అని ఇలాంటివి ఉంటాయి. అంటే ఫస్ట్లో నన్ను డార్లింగ్ అని పిలుస్తాను. హాయ్ డార్లింగ్.
పాయింట్ ప్రభాస్ అని ఎక్స్ట్రాడినరీగా నచ్చాడు. అంటే బాంబే ఇండస్ట్రీలో కానీ మీడియాలో కానీ తనకి ఇవ్వాల్సినంత ఇవ్వట్లేదని కాదు, బట్ అండర్ గ్రౌండ్లో ప్రభాస్ కొన్న పాపులారిటీ ఇవాళ ఇండియాలో ద ట్రూత్ ఈస్ నో హీరో హ్యాస్. దాంట్లో ఏం డౌట్ లేదు. స్ట్రీట్స్లో పిల్లలు వెళ్ళినాళ్ళు అంటే మీకు మీడియాలో అంత ఎక్కువ హైలైట్ చేయకుండా ఈ క్యాంప్స్ అన్నీ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి మీకు బయటికి రావట్లేదు, కానీ గ్రౌండ్ లెవెల్లో ప్రభాస్ ఈజ్ ద బిగ్గెస్ట్ స్టార్ ఇన్ ఇండియా, దానికి ఏమి డౌట్ లేదు.
రాజేంద్ర ప్రసాద్ తర్వాత మీకు తెలుగులో నచ్చిన హీరో ఎవరు?
I think Prabhas. I'll go with Prabhas.
It's not easy for another actor to repeat that. What Prabhas is doing, what Rana is doing. It's not easy. Nobody can remake a Bahubali because of the physical time and the struggle what they have gone through. It's not easy for another person to repeat that or just enact that again. It's not going to be easy at all. The kind of work they have been doing in Bahubali is also, with a lot of respect, I see both Prabhas and Rana.
Actually, like again the contrast between you and Prabhas and the characters, because both of you are really actually feeding off each other and completely different personas on screen, both fit, bulky guys, fighting it out. So as two actors really working in the same frame, how was your acting method different from Prabhas's?
See, obviously, we play two extremely different characters in the film. We look extremely different. I mean, I'm playing a much older guy than what I am in the film, and Prabhas is the younger Bahubali in the film.
Right.
And see, obviously, in terms of working chemistry with actors, this film, we had a lot of time to build that chemistry because we shot this film over 4.5 years. And yeah, he's probably one of my most favorite co-stars. He's a terrific actor. He's one of the largest action heroes Telugu cinema ever had.
Right.
And so yeah, there's a lot that I learned from him, a lot that I picked from him, and understood.
How did you decide upon Prabhas for the role of Bahubali?
We worked on a film 10 years before this, and we have been close friends, and we have been sitting and we would chat for hours and hours together, deep into the night, just about, not about Bahubali, but just about different aspects of filmmaking, the philosophy of filmmaking, and we strike a chord with each other. We understand each other very well, and he knows that I have a burning desire to make a very large scale war film,
right.
And he was game for it. And in fact, he was so much into it when I asked his days for 1.5 years for this film. He laughed and said, "You can never make this film in 1.5 years," and he kept himself free for 3.5 years.
Well, it did take 5 years in the end, didn't it?
Yes, in the end it took 5 years to make, and he was there for us. And now he was there even before we started writing the characters clearly. He was in.
Right.
He was there. I mean, we took Anushka or Sivagami, Rami Krishna or Katappa. Everyone, we took the actors based on the characters that were written. But with Prabhas, the character was written for him.
Right. So you
know,
had especially sculpted that character around him itself.
क्योंकि पहला पार्ट ही इतना बढ़िया था, then the second part was just another level. और मैं तो फैन हूँ राजा मौली के प्रभास की.
ఒక్క మాటలో చెప్తాను, మామూలుగా నా ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ కాకుండా నా హీరోగా చూస్తే నా ఫేవరెట్ హీరో ప్రభాస్. ఒక్క ముక్కలో సింపుల్ గా చూపిస్తాను. అంటే తన ఎక్సలెంట్ గా చూస్తాను, చాలా బాగుంటాడు, బాగా ఫైట్ చేయగలడు, అన్నిటిలో నెంబర్ 1. రాజమౌళి గారు చెప్పినట్టు వృత్తి కోసం ఏమి పనికిరాదు. నిజం, ఫైట్ చాలా బాగా వస్తాడు, మంచి యాక్టర్, ఇవన్నీ చాలా మంచి క్వాలిటీలో. ఇవన్నిటికి మించిన తన దగ్గర గొప్ప విషయం ఉంటుంది. అదేంటో సార్, చాలా 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 మంచి మనిషి. నా ఫేవరెట్ హీరోనే కాదు, నా ఫేవరెట్ పర్సన్ కూడా. అంటే టిప్తో అంటారు, అంటే ఇక్కడి నుంచి గోరు చివరి వరకు 6 అడుగుల బంగారం. ఒక్క మాటలో ప్రభాసం చెప్పాలంటే 6 అడుగుల బంగారం. నా ఫేవరెట్ హీరో అంతే.
ప్రభాస్ గారు కూడా మీ ప్రతి ఆడియో ఫంక్షన్ వస్తూ ఉంటారు. మంచి ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో
ప్రభాస్ అంటే బాగా ఇష్టం.
మీ మధ్య రిలేషన్షిప్ అనేది ఎలా ఉంటుంది? హౌ డు యు ఎంజాయ్ కలిసి ఉన్నప్పుడు?
డెఫినెట్లీ చాలా మ్యూచువల్ ఎఫెక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. నేను బేసిక్ గా తను చాలా మంచోడు, అండ్ తను మాట్లాడుతుంది తెలుస్తుంది అనమాట మంచోడు.
That's really nice, and thank you so much, and hope you meet Prabhas very soon.
Oh, I would love to meet Prabhas, but what will happen is if I meet Prabhas and he'll be high and I'll be like,
anyways, you look beautiful, so.
No, that is Prabhas. I'll faint. I won't be able to say anything.
And I'd love for a great action star from I like Prabhas a lot.
Okay.
And in fact I liked his film Mirchi.
Okay.
And I was totally bowled over by this film, Sonakshi. There's a film called Mirchi that Prabhas did, was absolutely fantastic. And he's in Bahubali.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I wanted to so I spoke to him, and he's such a wonderful, lovely.
Working with Prabhas, of course, you just would have the answer.
We've just shot for a few days now, and he's really, really lovely. He's very warm and very friendly and completely simple and chilled out, which I really, really love. We got along immediately. One of the first questions that he asked me was, "Shraddha, are you hungry?" And I was like, "Yeah, I could eat. I love food." And he really loves food as well. But he is on a strict diet right now.
Does he talk much on the set, or is just calm?
No, in fact, we did readings for a couple of days before, so I spent a little bit of time with him then. And he has a very lovely energy. He's quite soft. Yes, quite soft-spoken and very simple, which is really nice. You don't feel that, that you don't feel it at all that, he's a big star or anything. So I think that's really awesome.
You're Mohit's lucky mascot.
I don't know about that. I feel like
at least people think that.
I feel like he has been really good for me, and I hope that he feels the same way. I've loved working with him, and I would do an end amount of films with him.
So Katrina, so you tell me, if you get a chance to put somebody from South India onto your movie as a hero, who would you prefer?
At the moment, I think I'll just say what probably everyone else would be saying and say Prabhas.
Oh, Prabhas. Okay.
You don't want to be a star in 5 or 6 cities. You want to be, I think what you mean by that is the hardcore pan-India star, or at least pan-North India star.
No, I mean the entire
India.
country.
मतलब बाहुबली में काम करना.
Yeah. I think it's very sad that our films don't work in the South. Why do we say in the South? I mean, I know it's the South part, it's the South side of our country, but why do we say that? It's our country, it's India. Our films should work everywhere. I pray, if I go to sleep, I pray Judwa does really well in Jammu and Kashmir. It's part of my country. I pray it does very well in Northeast. It's part of my country. I pray it does very well in Andhra, in all these areas. It's part of my country. Those people over there are my brothers and sisters. They should go watch my film. Why not?
All Indians are my brothers
Yeah,
and sisters.
no, definitely, they all are.
Sure, sure.
That's why a film like Bahubali showed us this, that power is there, that star. Prabhas today is a star. Prabhas star hai ya nahi hai? Massive love for him. There's incredible love for him.
Great talent over here. I think Prabhas is a wonderful actor. I saw Bahubali, the first one. Unfortunately, the second one I have not seen yet. And Prabhas has really beautifully played that role. It's really wonderful. And the kind of success the film has got. Even in Hindi, the dubbed version has done more than Dangal. You know, which Dangal was supposed to be one of the biggest successes. So it's